Jai Narayan students, good morning to all of you. So, after watching this video, can you able to understand what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is about the great scientist Albert Einstein, a truly beautiful mind, chapter number 4. So, Einstein was a very freak boy when he was a small child, but now he is the synonyms of genius. So what is the real meaning of genius? In this chapter, you will read about the biography of Albert Einstein, which was born in 14 March 1879 and he was died in 1955.
Chapter number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind. Here we are talking about a great scientist, Albert Einstein. Who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? We shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession for groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, and the electrodynamics of moving bodies and energy. The story portrays the other side of the life of Einstein, that he concerned and promote human welfare, and that is the reason why the title of the story is A Truly Beautiful Mind. So, Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm without any indication means without any indication that he was destined means kismat. He was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed too much large. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. So the youngster played by himself much of the time. He especially loved mechanical toys. Looking at the newborn sister Maza, he said to have said, "Fine, but where are her wheels?" So, in 14 March 1879, Albert Einstein was born in German city of Ulm. Until the age of 2.5 years, he could not speak, and when he began speaking, he spoke every word twice. यानी कि जब उन्होंने बोलना स्टार्ट किया, 2 साल तक तो आइंस्टाइन बिल्कुल बोल ही नहीं सकते थे, 2.5 years तक, लेकिन जब वो उन्होंने बोलना स्टार्ट किया तो वो हर एक वर्ड को 2 बार बोलते थे. In his childhood, his playmate considered him to be boring. उनके सारे playmates उन्हें boring कहते थे. His mother also thought that he was crazy because of the abnormally large size of his head. तो उनकी माँ भी उन्हें क्या समझती थी, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ फ्रीक, बिकॉज उसका जो हेड का साइज था, उनके हेड का साइज बिल्कुल एब नॉर्मल था. And when his sister born, he said, "Where is her wheels?" यानी कि उसकी व्हील्स कहाँ हैं. उन्होंने आइंस्टाइन ने अपनी मदर से पूछा कि इस बच्ची की व्हील्स कहाँ हैं. एंड ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड ओनली इन द टॉयस, नॉट इन द प्लेमेट्स, नॉट इन फ्रेंड्स. वो उन्हें केवल टॉयस पसंद थे. The third one is, a headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything. Einstein began learning to play the violin at the age of 6 because his mother wanted him to. He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. Amateur means क्या होता है? Amateur means doing something for personal enjoyment rather than a profession. Means किसी profession के लिए नहीं, हम उसे केवल एक अपने enjoyment के लिए हम उसको प्ले कर रहे हैं, तो उसे हम कहते हैं, उस प्रोफेशन को हम कहते हैं कि वो एमेच्योर प्रोफेशन है. But Albert was not a bad pupil. He went to high school in Munich, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old, and scored good marks in almost every subject. Einstein hated the school regimentation. What is the meaning of regimentation? Strict control over the way a group of people behave or way something is done. Means order and discipline taken to an extreme. ऐसा ऑर्डर होना, ऐसा डिसिप्लिन होना जो बहुत ज़्यादा आपका स्ट्रिक्ट होता है, उसे हम कहते हैं रेजिमेंटेशन. एंड ऑफन clashed with his teacher at the age of 15, Einstein felt so stifled, so depressed there that he left the school for good. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने स्कूल को लेफ्ट कर दिया. So in the third paragraph, a headmaster of his school regards him as a stupid and good for nothing. वो उसे क्या समझते थे? Regards him as a stupid. But then he proved all of them wrong. When he was 6, on his mother's instance, he learned play a violin and became a skillful violinist. His family shifted to Munich when he was 15, but there he feels uncomfortable. Why? Because the strict discipline of the school. So he left the school. उन्हें उस स्कूल का एटमॉस्फेयर वहाँ का अच्छा नहीं लगा. बिकॉज ऑफ द स्ट्रिक्ट बिहेवियर ऑफ द स्कूल उन्होंने क्या किया? स्कूल को छोड़ दिया at the age of 15. The previous year, Albert's parents had moved Milan and left their son with relatives after prolonged discussion. Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland in a city which was more liberal than Munich. अब उन्होंने क्या किया? एक दूसरी जगह अपनी स्टडी स्टार्ट की. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics, and after finishing school, he decided to study at University of Zurich. But science was not the only thing that appealed to the dashing young man with the walrus mustache. So after completing his schooling, he gets admission in the University of Zurich because of the atmosphere was more liberal and they accept new ideas, new concept. Besides, he was more interested in physics and mathematics.